Once you've added the Dialog Kit tool to your project, go to the Tools menu in the top menu bar. From there, select Dialog Kit and then choose Graph Editor. This will open the editor window, which you can drag and drop to your preferred location. The Graph Editor window consists of three main sections: Layers, Titles, and the Unity Graph View window, where you will manage and create your nodes. Let's first explore the Layers menu. In this section, you can create as many layers as you need, allowing you to generate multiple Graph View windows. Each layer will have its own dedicated Graph View window, helping you organize different parts of your project efficiently. To create a new layer, simply click the plus symbol at the top of the menu with your left mouse button. If you want to delete a layer, right-click on the layer and select Delete from the menu that appears. So, what is the purpose of the Titles section? In this section, you can create titles for your nodes. Click the plus symbol at the top of the menu to add a new title. You can assign a unique color to each title using the color palette or delete titles you no longer need. Alright, now let's create our first node. To do this, right-click on any node in the graph view and select the duplicate option from the menu. Our new node is created. You can select the node and place it anywhere on the screen. As you can see, the newly created node is automatically connected to the previous one. You can also perform the same action by selecting the previous node and pressing the Ctrl and D keys on your keyboard. To delete a node you created, select the relevant node with your mouse. Then press the Ctrl and X keys on your keyboard. Confirm the warning menu that appears, and the action will be completed. Alternatively, you can right-click on any node and select the Delete option from the menu to do the same. Every node you create will automatically be connected to the previous node you selected to create it. This allows you to develop your project quickly without having to worry about technical details. To remove the connection between two nodes, simply double-click on the connection line between them with your left mouse button. If you later want to reconnect these nodes, right-click on a node, select the Connect option from the menu, and a new connection will be created following your mouse. You can complete the connection by left-clicking on the desired node. Additionally, if you want to cancel a connection line you created without connecting it to any node, simply right-click with your mouse. Now let's add titles to the nodes we created. As you can see, I created two titles in the sidebar, Male and Female. Let's assign the male title to one node and the female title to the other. To do this, I hover over the node, right-click, select Titles, and then choose the relevant title. The color of the selected title is assigned to the node. Additionally, I can change this color dynamically. Let's do the same for the other node now. Alright, what does the Mark option in the right-click menu do? This option allows you to mark any node and later determine the stage of the dialog through code. For example, if you want to change a character's appearance when a specific dialog appears, you can easily do this by following the mark you assigned. When you select this option, a new field will appear on the node, where you can enter a number from 1 to 999. This allows you to assign a unique number to the node. You can do this for all nodes, and if you want to remove the mark later, simply right-click and choose the Unmark option from the same menu. Additionally, while a node is selected, you can open or close this field by pressing the Ctrl and M keys on your keyboard. Alright, now let's review everything we've learned using a simple template. First, we created a layer. Then, we created titles for the dialog nodes that will be used in this layer. To distinguish the titles, we colored them. Next, we created the nodes according to the dialog flow. For example, this node is based on two options, and when one option is selected, the dialog ends, while the other option leads to a two-option dialog. Both options eventually lead to the same outcome. This way, you can create dialog branches of any type and length you want. Thank you for watching. For more details, you can check the documentation included in the project and use the demo scene to expand your knowledge. Additionally, you will be supported with new tutorial videos in the future.